Hi, I'm Maximilian Deletoile, plant manager at SOPRA. SOPRA's sustainable development approach aims to be as comprehensive as possible. Thus, from the design stage of the Sherbrooke plant, we have integrated the need of reducing the environmental impact issued from our operation. This took various forms, ranging from recycling on-site all of our process scraps, to heating system technologies, lightning feature reducing light pollution, and low heat absorption roofing system, just to name a few. In terms of waste, today only 10% of our residual materials are sent to landfill. 100% of our production offcuts are recycled on site. Regarding wood, cardboard, and other types of plastics, they are recycled by local partners. Ultimately, we are aiming for zero waste. Our heating system is also particularly advanced and allows substantial savings for us, but also for the planet. By using solar energy and then recovering the calories from the process, we avoid the emission of 559 tons of CO2 each year and save some $133,000. Finally, by working on the lighting, color, noise, access to sports facilities, and vegetation, such as this green wall, we wanted to offer rewarding and respectful working conditions to our employees in sync with our vision and core values. Make no compromise for the planet. Choose SOPRA-XPS.